Lakshadweep administration justifies dairy farms closure non-veg off midday meals. Welcome to Inventiva, I'm Oishi Banik, back with a new story. The UT administration stated this in a counter-affidavit filed against a June 22 order of a division bench of Chief Justice S. Manikumar and Shaji P. which has stayed the administration's decisions. The UT's decision were regarding closure of 2 dairy farms and a change in menu of midday meals for Lakshadweep schools. The court had acted upon a PIL moved by Islander Ajmal Ahmad. The administration also justified the decision to increase the shipping operations between Lakshadweep and Mangaluru, stating that the port is closer to several Lakshadweep islands compared to Daipur in Kerala. The total loss of 2 dairy farms during 2019-20 was Rs 94,87,984 rupees. During 2020-2021, the loss was Rs 92,58,184 rupees. The dairy farms together cater the needs of only 300 to 400 people among more than 20,000 population of the 2 islands. That too in a limited manner, the affidavit stated. Given the geographical isolation and scarcity of green fodder, animal husbandry activities are not common and popular in the islands, it stated. This meeting, it pointed out, was not attended by Praful K Patel, and the allegation that the administrator wanted to change the midday meal is thus baseless. States and UTs had the freedom to decide on the menu satisfying nutritional requirements, it stated. Operating ships and barges from Mangalore will help reduce time taken for operations to many of the islands and also reduce expenses. The counter-affidavit filed by Ankit Agarwal, administrative officer, said that unless the draft regulations become law, no challenge was maintainable against them.